In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 per month as fast as possible with affiliate marketing. Many people, including myself when I got into affiliate marketing, think that making passive income online is either complete bullshit or something that people just get lucky with. The fact of the matter is that building an income-producing business online is indeed challenging, but like many things in life, there's a process to making it work. Today, I'm going to share that process with you. But most importantly, I'm going to show you how to get to this goal of making $1,000 per month as fast as possible. My name is Matt Diggity. I'm an ex-engineer and founder of LeadSpring, a business that has built over 100 income-producing affiliate websites. I'm also the creator of the Affiliate Lab, a course with over 2,000 members, which focuses primarily on creating affiliate content websites powered by search engine traffic from the big mama Google itself. Why affiliate content websites? And why Google traffic? Because in my opinion, this affiliate marketing path is the most accessible and easy for people. Anyone can create a website that gives values to readers on the internet, but not everyone is cut out for starting a YouTube channel or becoming an influencer on Instagram. If you have the ability to write, or at the very least the ability to find good and affordable writers, which I'll show you how to do later, then you can create a content website. In this day and age, Google really values content quality. And if you can produce content that Google loves, which I'll show you how to do too, then you'll get traffic to your website and clicks on your affiliate links. With the proper knowledge, the playing field is leveled. But how quick is quick? How fast are people able to make $1,000 per month with this approach? Here's a poll I took in the Affiliate Labs member group. Most people broke through the 1K per month mark within 6 months to a year. After that, it seems like the 1 year to 2 year bucket is the most common. In third place, we have less than 6 months. And it's only a few people that took longer than 2 years. So what I decided to do is hone in on the folks in the less than 6 month bucket. I reached out to them and asked them a ton of questions in order to tease out what are the common practices that got them such quick success. And that's what I'm about to share with you in this video. But before I do that, just to show you where things can eventually go with affiliate marketing, here's another poll showing the income levels that people are currently at in the Affiliate Lab. As you can see, 1K per month is just the starting point. So let's get started. The first step in getting to 1K per month with affiliate marketing is the most important step of all, and that's niche research. You've decided to make a content website, monetize with affiliate links. That's great. What niche are you going to do it in? The niche you select is so critical because of two factors. First, it influences how much money you can make. Niches like ping pong probably aren't going to allow you to buy that island off the coast of Tahiti. But second, it influences how difficult the niche is. Certain niches are going to require more skill and resources than others. What you're looking for is the perfect balance of profitability and competition level, and here's how you do that. Now, there's a bunch of complicated processes that people use all the time to qualify a niche, and most of the time, the results you get are complete crap. The method I use is so simple and obvious, once you do it, you'll never go back. Instead of guessing if a niche makes money and is competitive or not, I simply look at website marketplaces like Flippa for inspiration. Flippa is an online marketplace where people buy and sell content websites. Registering with Flippa is free, and you instantly get access to seeing tons of websites in various niches and, most importantly, how much money they make. When using their interface, set the following parameters. You're looking for content sites that are of the review type. These are going to be your affiliate style websites. By just digging around for a bit, you can find a website like this one that generates $3,000 per month profit. Once you load up the site in your web browser, you can see that it makes money reviewing power generators. And at this point, you want to ask yourself, can I do better than this? Can I write or get content written that is better than what I see here? Can I build a better looking site? Can I build more content than they did? If the answer is yes, and honestly it should be after watching this video, then you've found yourself a niche. As you can see, reverse engineering marketplaces like Flippa is far superior than simply guessing how much money can be made in a niche. And because you see actual example websites, you get a clear look at how difficult a niche is as well. By the way, if you like what you're seeing so far, please make your way over to the like button and smash it for me. Studies show that people who smash the like button are 67% more likely to crush their goals in affiliate marketing. But in all seriousness, it helps my channel out and lets me know that you want to see more videos like these. After you've selected your niche, the next step is to do keyword research. And I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One method is free, and the other one uses fancy pants SEO software to do it. When people search for something on Google, the words they type in are called keywords. Some keywords get searched a lot, and we call them high search volume keywords. These are typically more competitive and more lucrative. An example of this would be best power generator. If you're at the top of Google for this keyword, you're going to get a lot of purchase-ready traffic to your website and your affiliate links. Other keywords are typically longer, have less less search volume and less buyer intent. Example of one of these less lucrative and informational type keywords would be, what is the difference between a generator and an inverter? The point is you want to know all the keywords. You want the difficult ones so you can eventually make money. And you want the easy ones so you can start to get quick traffic. Here's how to keyword research using free methods. AnswerThePublic.com is an awesome free tool you can use to generate keywords and topics you should write about. In this example, I just typed in portable generators and it gave me 46 different topics that I should talk about, such as informational keywords like can portable generators get wet, and commercial keywords like which portable generators are the best. Easy breezy. Next, we can do our keyword research on Google itself. If you type portable generators into Google, you'll see a section up here at the top called People Also Asked. Once again, there's more topics and keywords, and many of them weren't already picked up by Answer the Public. If you click on any of these questions, then yes, you'll get an answer, but the People Also Ask engine will also drop down more questions for you to answer in your content. If you want to automate the process, again for free, you can use the free SEO tool SEO Minion to actually download all these topics to a spreadsheet for you. Load up the plugin on Chrome and select PAA 6 levels, which means you want the tool to click and expand each of the questions 6 times so you can download a buttload of keywords. Next, we can use Google Autosuggest. Type in your main topic keyword into the search bar, then put your cursor at the beginning. Google is going to spit back a bunch of commonly searched keywords with a new word added to the front. And as you guessed it, you clever little devil you can put your cursor at the end and get more keywords as well. Rinse and repeat this process for all the main topics and products in your niche. Next, go to the bottom of the search result page. Here you'll find another source of free keywords using Google's related searches feature. And if you were to click on one of these keywords like best portable generator for camping, then once again here at the bottom of the next page, you'll find even more keywords in the related searches. As you can see here, keyword research can be done for free if you want to take some time and put in the work. But if you want to automate things while getting even more keywords and topic coverage, use a tool like Ahrefs. You can go super easy mode and just plug your Flippa site directly into Ahrefs and get back a list of all the keywords it ranks for. Do this for 3 to 4 more sites in your niche and you're done with keyword research. You can also go over to Content Explorer and type in a high-level word like camping to find low-hanging fruit that other newbie websites are already ranking for. If they can do it, you can too. Make sure to set some filters like these to look for content ideas that get decent traffic and hardly have any backlinks going to them. Don't worry, we're going to talk a lot about backlinks later. Now that you're done with keyword research, it's time to start writing your content. Writing good content that Google loves is the foundation of search engine optimization. But what are the components of a Google-friendly article? I'm going to show you how to write Google-friendly content for free as well as a paid route. Let's say you wanted to write a piece of content discussing camping gift ideas. The first thing you want to do is Google your keywords and start to look at the people already ranking high for the keyword. The thing about SEO is that the answer is always on page 1 of Google. We just need to look at what the people already did to get there, then do better than them. Here's what to look for. First, look at the headings of the article. This includes the title up here at the top, but also super important are the subheadings found below. From the title, we can see that this article is a listicle, so let's make a listicle. We can see from the subheadings in this article that Google is expecting to see gift ideas like tents, hammocks, and national park passes in our article. This article also breaks down the list into a section for him, for her, and for kids. Google seemed to like that, so let's do the same. Another thing you want to do is look at the length of the article. If Google thinks this is the perfect amount to be in position number 1, then we think so too. But where you're going to outdo your competition is you're not going to stop looking at the first article on page 1 for inspiration. You're going to look at the articles in positions 2 and 3 as well. Your article is going to be a superset of these 3. So open up these other guys, get more ideas from the subheadings, and start to craft up a super article. If you want to speed up this process, I suggest using a tool like Surfer, which is going to automate this process for you. Plus add on some additional features that will help you beat the content on page 1. Start writing content for your website using the techniques we just discussed. Buck down, turn off your phone, and just go beast mode until you can get to about 25 articles. When you've got 25 articles written, it's time to launch your site and get it built. We'll talk about that soon. Once you've launched, keep writing your buns off until you hit 50 total articles. Stick to mostly informational type content for now. Stuff like how to clean a generator rather than monetize content like reviews of different products. Once you've made that milestone of 50 articles, you can slow down to 2 to 3 per week. Keep that up and continue to scale. But what do you do if you're not a native English speaker? Or you just hate to write? My favorite place to go find writers is the Cult of Copy job board found on Facebook. Look for native English speakers that have experience in your niche. Anywhere between 4 to 8 cents per word is a good price. Once you've hit the 25 article mark, as you know, it's time to launch your website and upload all your content. And once again, I got a free to play mode and a slightly easier paid mode. Regardless, you're going to want to build your website on WordPress. WordPress is the most widely used content management system. And there's tons of free themes and plugins plugins that take all the complexity out of web development. For the free route, the free themes from themeforest.com are more than enough to create a basic design layout for your site and get you up and launched. If you want something more customizable and you want to get creative with your design, check out GeneratePress, which is a page builder that can allow you to create pretty much anything you want by dragging and dropping elements using their editor. Note that GeneratePress is not free. Now, once you got your site up and a theme installed, it's time to upload your content. You don't need to make every article look like a piece of art. Just get something quick and dirty up so we can get your site launched and let Google know that your awesome content exists. But if you want to geek out on how to design an affiliate content page like the pros, I left a link to a case study I made called Project Cashflow in the description. As you start uploading your content, interlink relevant articles together. When you have relevant articles linked together, that gives a positive signal to Google. This concept is called topical relevance, and you don't want to miss out on the bonuses you get from it. So as you're grinding away, writing content, uploading content, rinse and repeat, the important thing to do here is to stick to the plan and don't give up. This is the point in time where many people give up on their affiliate marketing journey. They get fed up because results aren't instant and it can take, as we saw before, months and sometimes over a year to break through. We have to remember, at the end of the day, you're building a business. What other businesses are successful after a few days? That's right, none. The fact of the matter is that when new websites are started, they enter what is known as the Google sandbox phase, where they simply won't start getting more rankings and traffic until they've proven themselves. You can speed up the process with link building, as I'll show you soon. But ultimately, you just want to stick to the plan and be patient right now. Many people give up here. Don't let that be you. As I just mentioned, you can speed up the process with link building. A backlink is when one website hyperlinks to another website. Google thinks of backlinks like votes. When one website links to another website, it's like that website is saying, hey, this website is awesome. So awesome that I want my visitors to check it out. So Google considers backlinks to be a positive SEO signal. As usual, I'll show you a free way to get them and a paid way. With both routes, you want to be focusing on a technique called guest posting. And to learn why, check out my video on link building for new websites in the description after you watch this video. Here's the free way. Find websites relevant to yours that you want to link on. A great place to start is just to use Google and find other websites ranking for the keywords in your niche. Dig around their about and contact pages to find their email address. Then you're going to reach out to them and ask that they be up for you writing free content for their website. And in that content, you're going to place a link to your website. The thing is, people get these emails all the time, so you need to stand out. So here's what you're going to do. Since you're now such a boss at keyword research, find article topics that this website hasn't yet written and tell them, hey Ashley, my name is Matt, fellow RV enthusiast and writer at generationrv.com. I was doing some keyword research and noticed that you haven't written any content on RV preparation in the winter. How about I write that for you for free? When it's positioned like this, your conversion rate goes through the roof. With a paid route, your options open up. You can use an all-in-one solution like my service Authority Builders to find super relevant, powerful backlinks in your niche. Use the sign up link in the description and you'll get $30 store credit just for signing up. Once you start making some progress in Google and start pulling in some of that sweet traffic, it's time to monetize your site. The most effective way to do it is to write product reviews and put up affiliate links where people can purchase the products you're reviewing. This is an example of a roundup review, where you'd review the 12 best generators used for camping. Each of these check price links is an affiliate link at Amazon.com. You can apply to the Amazon Associates affiliate program through this page here. Make sure your website meets their terms of service and make sure you have a decent bit of traffic before applying. They expect you to make at least one sale in the first 180 days. That should be no problem for an ace like yourself. You can also do targeted reviews on specific products instead of giving a top 10 list. This review, the Champion 3500 generator, is monetized with Home Depot affiliate links in addition to Amazon. Another way to monetize your site is by placing display ads on your site. Display ads are these graphical sidebar and inline ads that you often see on websites these days, and they're super easy to set up. You can apply to ad networks like Mediavine, which typically pay you about $12 per 1,000 page views. Once you start to really roll in the traffic, this starts to add up. And before you know it, you'll reach the $1,000 per month mark and you're officially an affiliate marketer. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and make sure to subscribe for more videos just like these.